All right, this is the second assignment for SE 456. So as you can see in the game, I created a bunch of different sprites, and then also included their own speeds and rotation, all that stuff. I created each manager, texture manager, image manager, and sprite manager. Then added 4 different textures, and then created a bunch of different images, and then also created the sprites. And then down here, this is where I manipulated the speed and location, and in some instances changed the image altogether. I will do the demo now. So for some of these, they're not moving, but I within the sprite class, I added a swap image function, and so that's what these right here are doing. And then obviously the other ones are just moving across the screen or spinning or changing sizes. I think that's about it for this assignment. Thanks.